Good morning, and lots of stocks to keep on your radar. This morning we begin then with none other than M&M. The Anish Shah, the Deputy Managing Director and the Group CFO of the company, will now be taking over as the Managing Director and the CEO of M&M effective 2nd of April. He's going to be succeeding Pawan Goenka, the MD and CEO currently, who retires on the 2nd of April. And this follows the company's top management succession announcement. Do remember, Shah has joined M&M in the year 2015 as the Group President for Strategy. He's led development, built capabilities, as managed risk, performance review organizations. So we'll be watching out for this management rejig in M&M. Meantime, Dr. Reddy is an important announcement as they expect the Russian-made COVID vaccine Sputnik V to get the approval from the Indian regulator, and this could happen over the next few weeks. In fact, they say that you take the first dose on day 0, the second one on day 21, and the peak immunity develops anywhere between 28 days to 42 days. So it's a 2-dose vaccine, and they expect it to be available over the next few weeks. And they've partnered with Russia Direct Investment Fund in order to bring Sputnik V to India as well as some of the other nations. Brokerages are reacting. Credit Suisse, on the other hand, not on this news but on Dr. Reddy, says they maintain outperform with the target price at 5,200, saying that the strong launch momentum in the US will continue. They will double their products in the market. The China approval cycle for filings will start from mid FY23. Price erosion in the US is reverting now to pre-COVID levels. So watch out for that stock. Let's get a move on then and keep an eye out on JSW Steel. And after completing the acquisition of Bhushan Power and Steel under the insolvency law, they have thrown their hat in the ring for NINL or Neelachal Ispat Nigam. In fact, sources have indicated that they submitted an EOI for NINL. The due date is March 29th. And this is a it's jointly owned by the central as well as the state PSUs, along with MMTC, IPICOL, NMDC as well as OMC as major shareholders. So watch out for that stock in trade. You've got Morgan Stanley, which maintains overweight with the target price at 590, saying that they have announced the implementation of the resolution plan as well for the BPSL asset. The asset will not be consolidated in the books of the company. The transaction is of strategic importance, and the BPSL acquisition marks its foray into the eastern regions of India. ICICI Bank is on CLSA's radar. They've got a buy rating with the target at 800, saying that valuation is on track for profitability improvement. There's strong growth, strong buffers in place, quality of earnings has improved, and the multiples should be higher than the last cycle. And Minda Industries as well is in focus as they will invest over 250 crore rupees in expanding their 4-wheel lighting and alloy vehicle business to meet the increased demand that we're seeing as their current units are operating at near capacity.